Hi there guys, it's Peter Jan here in the Eskort kitchen. I'm supposed to look this way. We are busy with a new week. It's a new shirt, new socks, and we are making a melon salad with streaky bacon. We are not cooking the streaky bacon today. We are going to cure it, which is suspicious to a lot of people, even to myself, but I wrote the recipe so I have to do it. Streaky bacon. We've got our beautiful Eskort streaky bacon. So what I'm going to do firstly, before we go on with the rest of the salad, I'm quickly curing the bacon. This is supposed to be quick and easy, so it's like making biltong, but with bacon. And we're not going to hang and dry this, it's just to get that nice cold meat flavor texture to it. Okay, it's going into a salad, it's going to be beautiful. It's like a parma or a prosciutto or something. We've got water and some vinegar over here. We're just going to pour this, just plain normal vinegar, the one that goes over your chaps. Okay, there we go. So this is going to cook the bacon. We've got some coarse salt over here. And then we do some brown sugar. Okay. Is it enough? How many sugars do you take on your bacon? Enough. A little bit more salt, and then we just leave this, put it aside while we're busy with the rest of the salad. Okay. So leave that aside. It's a melon salad, as we said, with the bacon. We are going to switch this pan on nice and high. We want it hot because we are going to cook the melon instead of the bacon today. Just normal, beautiful slices of melon like you would always get it. So I'm just going to dip it in a little bit of sugar before we fry it. There we go. So the sugar is going to melt, the sauce is going to run just a little bit out of your melon. I can hear it starting to make a noise in the pan, which is beautiful. So I'm not putting this in a very, very hot pan because the sugar will burn and the kitchen will be full of smoke, and then the neighbors will phone whoever puts out the fires in your neighborhood. There we go. Melons into the pan. Just fry it until you see the brown sugar starts to bubble all over the sides, and then you can take it out. With this salad, just to help with a little bit of texture as well, and because it's one of my favorite plant-based proteins. So to the chickpea we add lemon zest. Okay, we've got some beautiful lemon juice going on here, nice fresh flavor. So here we've got our Eskort secret braai spice, barbecue spice. You can use any savory barbecue spice, whatever you prefer. This is my favorite because it's ours. Okay, and then some olive oil just to help this whole party come together. Just mix it through to get the flavor and the taste all over the chickpeas as well. It's going to make it beautiful. Make it beautiful in the olive oil. Some salt and pepper, always some salt and pepper. Melons, we're turning them, I can see it's starting to get sticky. There you go, smells beautiful. Let's just add some lemon, just to remind it that it's still a fruit. We add some lemon. I've got some salad greens over here, any leaves, whatever leaves you prefer. One of these beautiful guys, always just break the bottom off. You can use whatever lettuce you prefer. Got some rocket in there, we've got some, I'm not going to pronounce these words, these names. Sounds like swear words. The bacon you'll see turned a very much lighter color. It's more pinkish. So you can just slice it. There you go. Let's do our melon. Some chickpeas with the dressing. Make sure that your leaves get some of this dressing. And then lastly, just to finish this off, we do some cream cheese. So this is just going to carry that nice creaminess through that we need. The whole salad can just be seasoned with some salt and pepper. Salad with Eskort bacon. You guys said you want more bacon in your salad, so here we go. Enjoy. Lovely. Oh, hello. Bring a knife. I didn't think it's going to taste like this, but it's really nice. You will leave the cookie jar. We'll make another one for the picture. And we're done. Come and cut.